Good evening, everyone. I'm out hunting that field again. Got my first target. I've been pulling up a little bit of iron and trash. But my first target, I thought it was just junk, but if you can see, it is junk, which is an old lantern. Look at that. Old iron lantern. Pretty cool. Alright, to my next find. Alright everybody, my second good find. Thought it was garbage, but look what it is. Looks like a ring to me. Let's look at it together. That is really neat. Whoops, I dropped it. I don't think it's silver or anything. I don't know. It was a low tone. Could be gold. I don't know. But it is really cool. It's a keeper. I'll get it cleaned up, take some pictures, and it looks like a little kid ring. Alright. To the next hole. Alright. Looks like I found a button. That's a good clean one. Hunter brand. Awesome. Alright. The next one. Okay, looks like I found another button right here. So it looks like. Is that another Hunter brand? Yep. Alright, already. Got something round in the hole. It's ringing up a 55 on the VDI. So let's see. It's heavy. Huh. Must be lead. Yeah, it's a heavy one. Yeah, it's just a piece of lead. Lead weight or something. Alright. Okay. I found this plate here. And it's probably round, so it's probably back of an old pocket watch. That's what I'm thinking. Because I found pocket watch parts everywhere. So that's what that is. Alright. Got myself another pocket watch part. Alright. Okay, I got something flattened around here. Don't know what it is yet. Yeah, it looks like a front of a button. Yeah, that's what that is. Crusty old button. Alright. Hello my friends. Just got rained out. It has been pouring out. On my way back to the vehicle, I've just been soaked. So I'm done for today. Hopefully my next hunt I won't get rained out. Seems like the past 3-4 hunts it's just I get rained out. So happy hunting everybody, and I will see you at the next hole.